How to fix voice service unavailable error in Modern Warfare on PC or Xbox? 1. Test your microphone. 2. Check your in-game voice chat settings. Have audio voice chat use the right voice chat output device. 3. PC, allow the game to access your microphone. 4. Launch COD Modern Warfare 2 as an administrator. Like this. 5. Make sure your PC sound settings are correct. 6. Uninstall then reinstall your audio drivers. 7. Verify the game files. 8. Update your Xbox wireless controller via the Xbox Accessories app. For console users. 9. Uninstall reinstall, along with its required add-ons, re-update Modern Warfare 2.